So let's hear it, Gumby.
No.
Hear your definition of the birds and the bees.
He don't wanna.
Come on.
Nah, he gets embarrassed.
Tell us what you used to do in the washing machine.
That's all. Yeah. What'd you do on the washer? Huh?
No, I never did it on the washer.
This is a talk of the birds and the bees by Grandma.
But it was nice. It was nice sitting on that washer and shaking all over.
Shaking what all over?
And
The Was that unprotected?
Nothing, no.
Unprotected.
We never
We
never used protection.
Oh! No protection.
No. We like to slide in real nice and easy.
Ah. And then get on the washer, huh? Turn it on.
Yeah.
Spin cycle.
Especially the dryer would be more
Dryer
jumping
would
around.
be better, huh?
You hear that? Never sit on the washer or the dryer. You hear?
I'm never gonna do that.
And always use protection. Put it in your pocket at all times. That's it. Good night. Good night.
Good night.
And
Give him a teeth drop.
And no,
Stick 'em out.
and no licky licky either.
Good. Stick the teeth out.
No licky licky.
Get the teeth flop. Huh?
That's it. Good night.
Spit the teeth out.
Spit the teeth out at him.
Huh?
Spit the teeth out at him.
There you go.